You're welcome to Remit Trade Academy. My name is Paradise and I'll be bringing you this cryptocurrency video. Right now, Bitcoin is sitting at 47.6k level at this area, and on the 1-day chart right at this point, we see the market keep going right up. And also on the 4-hour chart, we are seeing the market coming back down with possibly retracement before the market will come back down. And on ETH USDT 4-hour chart at this area, we are seeing this very market consolidation. So on the Bitcoin dominance, we see the market go up a little bit, create a new higher than the previous high we were talking about yesterday. So market is coming back down. So what are we expecting right now in the markets? Are we going to see the markets come back right down to this area of support on the Bitcoin dominance? And are we going to see Ethereum keep going to the upside? And are we going to see BTC keep moving to the upside in the next coming days? All of these and more in today's video, so watch the video till the end. If you are new to this channel, please help subscribe to the channel, hit that like button, and don't forget to turn on the notification. Also check the channel for other educational content. Leave a like and share this video. Right now, I am very much bullish on Bitcoin. I talked about this yesterday, and this is the beginning of the bull run we've been expecting the market for so long. And also, if you look at the 1-day chart here, I have a lot of questions about the retracement I've been talking about that is going to come into the market. So what exactly you should be looking out for? So we've not seen any bearish candle around this area since the market began to move from this very level. The market moved from this area to this point. Possibly expect a retracement, because it's normal that the market will not just fly to the upside. There must be a retracement, and that retracement will come into the markets before we will see the market move up again. Now, as the market is going down, it's not wise to take a short position on futures because the market is going down, because you may not know exactly 100% of the time where this retracement will stop, but it can be predictable before we will see the market move up again. Rather, it will be wise to allow the retracement to come back down, then you take a trade at the end of retracement before we see continuation to the upside. So what I am looking out for specifically is a bearish candle, this very candle at this area. So once you see a bearish candle that closed below the previous candle and another candle, which is two significant candles, that is a confirmation that the bears are ready to move the market a little bit right now before we see the market move up again. That is, we will see the market go back right down in form of a retracement before the market will move up again, because this is already an impulsive move. Retracement coming to the market before we see the next impulse again. So right now, I've been talking about taking a trade from this area to this level, and I talk about this breakout. So after this very resistance breakout and markets move a little bit, as we are saying right now, so look out for that retracement, and a bearish candle must be formed on this chart that close below the next candle, for example this area, that will confirm that the bears are ready to move the market a little bit in form of a retracement before continuation. This is exact what I am looking out for right now on the 1-day chart to confirm that this retracement I was looking out for is already coming into play. If you look at this very market, it is an expansion of what is going on the 1-day chart. Now on the 4-hour chart right here, you see the market moved down. Now, what also will confirm that the bulls are not longer willing to move the market to the upside is what we call fail swing. So if market goes up, come back down, and this market right now that is going up right now fail to create a new high, that means market pause a little bit to this area, and then we see the market come back right down. That means that the retracement is already coming into play. So once you start seeing significant bearish candle to the downside on the 4-hour chart, that is also a confirmation on what we are seeing on the 1-day chart. So this is what I am looking out for as well, a fail swing. That means market should not be able to create a new high, higher than the previous high. So it should pause around this area before we see the market come back right down. And a significant bearish candle to the downside is also a confirmation that the market is coming back down in form of a retracement. And I said, don't short the market when the market is coming right down, because you will not know exactly 100% of the time where the market will pause before the next impulsive move. But it is predictable. But rather, it is wise for you to wait for that end of retracement will be a wise thing to do. On ETH USDT, exact same thing as well. For you to confirm that the bear are ready to move the market a little bit to the downside in form of a retracement is for you to look out for a bearish candle. Let's say, for example, market come back to this area before the next impulsive move. So what you do is a significant bearish candle to the downside. That means this bullish candle now turned bearish, for example, and close below this very bullish candle right here. That is also significant, and that will also aid the market to come back right now. So this is what I am looking out for, to be very specific about the retracement I am expecting in the market. The same thing on ETH USDT for our chart. Once we see a failed swing on the higher time frame, let's say for example, you see the market move from here to this area and the market come back right down and then fail to create a new high that is higher than the previous high, pause around this area, and the market come back right down. This is also a significant that market is going to go down. So this will be visible on the lower time frame first, before we can see that appear on the higher time frame. This is very, very important. So this is what I am watching, to be very specific on the BTC USDT for our charts and also on the ETH USDT for our chart as well, to confirm that retracement first of all on the lower time frame before you can see it visible on the higher time frame like the 1-day chart. BTC dominance right here, we see the market go up a little bit, create a new higher than the previous high, and market is coming back down right now. When you see the Bitcoin dominance appear to be in a range, that is always very, very good for Bitcoin and ETH. They will be moving forward and doing well. When Bitcoin break key structures and begin to move to the upside, BTC will move faster compared to ETH. When Bitcoin dominance break key structure of support and move to the downside aggressively, that is always time for the altcoin to move aggressively to the upside. Right now, Bitcoin dominance is not moving that fast to the upside, and I am expecting the market to come back right down to the support. The same thing I was looking at yesterday, and if we do, we are not going to see any aggressive move on Bitcoin, on Ethereum to the upside, and also on BTC to the upside as well. So this is what I am looking out for on the Bitcoin dominance. The market come back down a little bit to this area, will not create any significant move on ETH to the upside and also on BTC to the upside. Rather, it will impact on the market price and make market to come back a little bit down with this retracement I am expecting in the market. In my previous video yesterday, I said I will be talking about some altcoins that you can hold for long term once I see this retracement I'm talking about come to an end, so that you can enter into the market at a lower and better price. If you've not registered on Binance, $600 bonus on Bybit, link in the description below. If you are new to this channel, please help subscribe to the channel, hit that like button, and don't forget to turn on the notification for more updates like this every single day. Also, check the channel for other educational content. Leave a like and share this video. Thank you very much for watching today's video, and I will see you in the next video.